We all want our faceless videos to look like this, right? Fast pacing, motion effects, animations, and maybe character. You want your video to truly stand out, like these YouTube channels. They are all under 1 year old and getting tons of views on their YouTube channels, and they're making some serious cash by posting videos where they keep their faces a mystery. So in this video, I will tell you exactly what software I use to make this video, along with free alternatives. From research and writing, how I structure my script, recording voiceover, and generating images, to editing and music. They're in the order I actually make the videos in. So how do you make YouTube faceless videos? Well, let's find out. Getting into research is by far the most time-consuming part of all of my videos. It can stretch for weeks, and usually, one research leads to another. The video creation process starts with an idea. I choose from a long list I have, gather ideas from comments, dive into YouTube analytics, or explore other channels within my niche. Once I have all my research, I open Google Docs and begin writing. Here, I take notes from videos covering the same topic, use ChatGPT to create parts for the script, and take notes from various Google articles, rephrasing the information in my own words. Once the script is written, it's usually longer than I'd like. This is when the cutting process begins. The whole goal is to trim down and make every paragraph or line shorter and clearer. Then I throw it into an app called Hemingway Editor, a cool tool that's completely free. This app identifies long sentences and complex wording. Then I go through each sentence, making it as short and clear as possible. After weeks of research and writing, I have a script. Once the script is done, I structure my script. I create a table in a Google Doc with 2 columns, one for the script and the next for a description of on-screen actions while reading that script. In the description section, I use different colors to mark what should go in that part of the script. For example, orange represents pictures, pink is for motion graphics, which is when I animate words, graphs, and so on, green means screen recording, pink is for an animated character, and blue tells me it's time for some AI-generated images. When I'm creating my table, I'll go to websites like Pixabay, Pexels, and Storyblocks to collect images and videos for my video. To record my screen, I use OBS Studio, and to generate AI images, I use Leonardo AI. Once the script and structure of my script are done, I'll record the voiceover. You have a few options here. You can use a microphone to record the voiceover yourself, or you can use text-to-speech software. Let's go with the second option. You can use a text-to-speech website called PlayHT. Just sign up, it's free, and proceed to the Open Studio option, where you can choose from a variety of voice options covering different languages and accents, including various English dialects like the US, Canada, Australia, and more. Experiment with the available voice presets. I will select one of the voices to show you an example of how it sounds. To generate audio, we will copy part of the script, paste it in the box here, and click Generate Speech, and listen to the result.
If you think the video is good so far and brings you value, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
If you are satisfied with the audio, download it for use. The software offers a free plan, but you can also upgrade. It is not very expensive. Once all that is done, it's time for editing and music. I use Create Studio Pro for video editing. Create Studio Pro is a desktop software that works on both Mac and Windows. Their user-friendly drag-and-drop builder simplifies the process. You can import your own media, add text, change color, drag and drop to stylize your content with incredible visual effects, and effortlessly animate any layers with just a click using the built-in motion preset. You can easily adjust your video's format, landscape, square, vertical, or custom for sharing on mobile or desktop. Create Studio Pro integrates with Pixabay, Pexels, and Giphy to give you a massive library of royalty-free photos and video footage. If you prefer telling your story without showing your face on camera, the software offers a broad selection of 2D and 3D animated characters. Allow me to walk you through its features and functionality. This is where you'll craft your videos. In the Studio section, explore the diverse offerings, such as various backgrounds like 3D, Supreme, Gradient, and more. To use a background, simply download and drag and drop it. The software also features characters that you can download and animate, adjust their actions, add new ones, and explore a range of animations. The software offers built-in scenes for YouTube, as well as social media, emojis, titles, video effects like fire and smoke, transitions, and more. Also, you have effects like green screen, doodle effect, clip speed, blur, color fill, and various components such as camera, typewriter, text box, progress bar, and more. I can also add text, make it bigger or smaller, change the color. I can literally do everything in this software. Now, this software is not free, but you can take advantage of a special lifetime deal for only $67, and it's yours forever. No monthly or yearly plans. Just pay once, $67, and it's yours for a lifetime. If you purchase this software, you will get Create Studio 3.0 for free. With this software, you can customize animated characters of your choice, utilize lip sync, and explore various other features. I will leave a link below this video in the description so you can access the software. I am an affiliate for this software, and I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no additional cost to you. Now let's move on to the free option. As a free option, you can use the free online video editor called CapCut. After logging in, click Create New Video and drag and drop your voiceover, as well as all your pictures and videos onto the screen. CapCut automatically organizes audio and images in the timeline. Your task is to arrange the images in the correct order, covering your entire voiceover. Once done, head over to the transition section where you can find various free drag and drop transitions. To apply a transition, simply drag and drop it between two images. Now repeat this with the rest of the images. You can add a particle overlay, effects, text, subtitles, and add some sound effects and background music. I use Mixkit and Pixabay, but Kevin MacLeod has a bunch of free music on his site. So I added sound effects and background music, lowering it to around -28 decibels to avoid being too loud. Add all this together and you've got a YouTube faceless video. With a little effort, you can master creating videos like these creators. If you create videos this way, be sure to provide value. Focus on something you're genuinely interested in and have some knowledge about. By providing value in that area, you'll be able to monetize your channel and earn money. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.